A lot of students that we've worked with have provided comments or feedback on the program showing like, this made this person smile, this was a really beautiful moment, or, just funny stories that come out of it.
Two ladies, they were with me the whole session, and one of the kids saying that she was decorating the cookies because she was gonna give it to their grandkids, and I thought that was just lovely, and it made me think about why I was doing all this, and I was doing it because I wanted to be there for them, and I want to be that person that listened to them.
Yes, there were quite a lot of good moments that made me smile. There was a time when the husband just kept asking the wife what color should the bird be or what color should the giraffe be, and I thought it was a cute moment, and that was something that got my attention.
One day we had a practice on building and painting the birdhouse, and she was just very quietly pick color, patiently build the house. But by the end, we noticed in her room, one of the picture on the wall, that was her house, the color. It was her house.
The fun part was when we arrange all the residents in the activity room and they have to pick what they wanted to do. The smile when they know that we are here for them and we are doing this, we are spending time with them. After each session, they are like, "Are you coming back? When are you coming back?" So these were the good moments. So yeah, I enjoyed those activities.